Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening NetMirror online and signing in with your account. This provides access and permissions. Once done, make sure your browser is up to date, because extensions and file APIs behave differently across versions. You should gather the source URL and target path now, plus any login credentials for the mirrored site. Do this to avoid interruptions. Network calls fail if a session times out. Start the mirror job immediately after verification, so you keep session tokens fresh. You now configure the mirror. Choose crawl depth and include patterns so the tool fetches only what matters. Once configured, enable assets download, images, CSS, JS, so pages render offline, and preserve directory structure to maintain links. Then set rate limits to avoid server throttling. Start with a small scope or a single subfolder to validate rules, watch logs and network panels as the job runs. If you see skipped files, refine patterns, and rerun to capture missing content. You finish by validating the mirrored output. Open index pages locally, click through links, and verify CSS and JS load correctly. Once satisfied, deploy the folder to your host or package it as a zip for transfer. Make sure paths are correct. Convert absolute links when necessary. If something breaks, check robots rules and server blocks first, then adjust include /exclude patterns or rerun with authentication enabled. A single retry after fixing patterns usually resolves most missing assets, so test and repeat until clean.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.